Hey y'all, it's me. Today, for my gardening video, I'm going to be sharing how let me back this up. One of my subscribers, Susie, she wanted to know how I was going to propagate this bird nest Sansevieria. So that's what I got here, the bird nest. And I'm going to take the baby plants out and put them in these containers until I get a permanent home for them. I'm going to use this soil potting mix by Miracle Grow. And I do have some friends out here with me. Some of them are my characters from the reindeer land. That's Bow's evil homie. I got some my carrots. That mass I told y'all I was gonna finish, and then just my regular garden decor that I got from the Dollar Tree. Y'all see those little guys over there? That's on the rosemary I planted yesterday. My little teddy bear, and we have Brew You All. Well, that's Makepeace, and Brew You All is hanging out here. Another Bow homie, and my little decorative planters, and a little aisle that I set one of my propagated plants in. My propagated plants still doing good, and some other little characters. That's my holiday family right there. This is my little ghost hanging out. Y'all probably seen this picture yesterday. And then my other little people over there. Anyway, let me turn this around before the camera stopped working. And say hello. Hey guys, how y'all doing? It looks like it's gonna be kind of warm today. Out here making another exciting video for my gardening. Yes, I have a great flower in my head. Sisters, I know y'all looking. Family, today I'm just gonna be sharing for a request from one of my subscribers, Susie. She wants to see how I've forgotten all the terminology. I call myself a gardener. I am not a gardener. I'm an imposter. I'm just out here just doing stuff with strange things with these plants. Some of them grow, some of them don't. Like for instance, the rosemary, I can't get it to grow. But anyway, Susie, I'm going to attempt to propagate the bird nest Sansevieria so you can see how I do it. Now, people watching me, I am not a professional gardener. I just told you I'm an imposter. I try to garden. Well, I'm not even trying. It's just what it is, what you see me doing in these videos. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna turn the camera back onto the plant, okay? Hopefully this camera don't cut off. I'm gonna stop it here and set things up. Okay, y'all, as you can see, I'm back. I have broken this plant down into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 6 pieces that I took off the, hold up. 6 pieces that I took off this mama plant here. Just the mama. See, I took all her babies off. And I had to carefully replant her. And I also broke unintentionally this root here that I'm going to poke back in the dirt, because it's a probability it can turn into another plant. So all these have the roots on it, and all I'm going to do is simply pot up some soil, place probably two of the babies in there, because I don't have a lot of planters right now, and get them back in the soils, and we'll see. Today is what, the 7th of June, I believe. And so that's what I'm going to do. As you can see, I did break the plant down. I just took all the babies off of the mama, all around her. That was baby plants growing off her. She was breastfeeding all those babies, or plant feeding. Plant breastfeeding. Okay. All right, so now I have turned this camera back off because I can't work with one hand while I'm putting them in the soil. So I'll be... Okay, guys, I've put the propagated plants into the soil. My glove boarded. Y'all heard some noise. Ha! But anyway, I have 3 new bird nest sanctuary plants. Really 6, but I just put 2 each in each planter. I had to make this planter out of a water bottle because I don't have any. It's lightweight water bottle, so not a lot of weight. Well, anyway, so Susie, I hope that this was clear enough for you. Remember, I'm an imposter. I'm not a real gardener. I just share what I experiment over here on this balcony, what I'm doing. And hopefully it made sense to you. I just cut off them little pups off the mama. That's the mama. She's giving birth to 6 babies. She was breastfeeding them babies forever. Plant feeding. Oh my God, spider. I'm sorry. I murdered a spider. I'm sorry if anybody loves spiders, but I don't like them. In a way, because I know that they might bite me. Anyway, so this is this part of the video about how I transplant, the way I transplant plants. Is it transplant? No. Is it transplant? It's one of them words mean moving it from one spot to another spot, which I technically did. Now my camera getting ready to go out. Stupid camera. I can't stand this camera. You hear me, camera? I can't stand you. Well, anyway, I'm going to share some pictures with my happy place for my happy space. Let y'all see my little sunflowers, if I can get it before the camera cuts off. All of them. Y'all see all those tiny little yellow flowers? Nothing but tiny. Camera ain't cooperating. Bye. Tiny yellow. Just have to show y'all just have to show them in pictures, the sunflowers.